What is followed by the pictures? Sitting before or front, sitting after or back. So our today's lesson is suffix and prefix. After completing this lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of suffix and prefix, differ suffix and prefix, use suffix and prefix in the sentence. The man looks happy. The man looks. So happy means Shuki. And by using an, you can see unhappy. And it means Oshuki. So what is it? Happy. And by using ILY, we can make happily. And it is suffix. What is it? Now follow carefully. Unable, added before. This is called prefix. Able plus ITY, ability. And it has been added after. And it is called suffix. So letter or letters added before any word and changes its meaning is called prefix. Letter or letters added after any word and changes its form is called suffix. What is the difference between suffix and prefix? Prefix is added before a word and changes its meaning. Suffix is added after a word and changes its form. Examples of some prefix: an, in, im, en, etc. Examples of some suffix: shon, ity, ly, nes, meant, etc. Prefix is added directly before the word. If the last letter of the word is et, it is omitted while adding suffix. So he has no. That means tarnai, ability. Mother Teresa was rewarded for his humanity. The perfect. So it will be perfection. And really, it will be wonderful. Our parents always encourage what a beautiful perform. So it will be performance. Now we have to do some work. In the past, people did not have developed communicate. And number B, to make, move. And number C, kinds of motor. Number D, physical exert. Now check your answer. So number A, communicate will be communication and move will be movement. We have used here suffix. Number C, motorized. Number D, exertion. Number E, suggestion. And number F, enables. Here we have used prefix. Number G, enjoy. Number H, fitness. Here we have used suffix. Number I, indifferent. And number J, preference. Now homework, you have to do this and I will check your answer. This is all for today. Allah Hafiz.